Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, a new cosmic explosion, the mystery of AT2022aedm. The universe, vast expanses and countless mysteries. One such mystery recently left astronomers in awe. A light, brighter and faster than anything previously known. Dive with us into the enigma of AT2022aedm. In late 2022, specifically on December 30th, astronomers discovered a phenomenon that defies all existing categories. A flare in a galaxy, 2 billion light-years away from us, brighter than a supernova, yet without the typical radio or X-ray radiation. Matt Nicol, an astronomer from Queen's University Belfast, was among the first to observe this phenomenon. He describes it as one of the brightest cosmic explosions ever recorded. To put it in perspective, its luminosity is equivalent to 100 billion suns. But the peculiarities of AT2022aedm don't stop there. Within just a month, this explosion lost almost all its brightness, cooling down from over 30,000 Kelvin to a mere 4,000 Kelvin. And another intriguing detail, it didn't occur in the center of a young, active galaxy but rather off-center, in an old, red galaxy. And this isn't the first time astronomers have encountered such a phenomenon. Archival records reveal two other similar events. These discoveries might point to an entirely new class of cosmic explosions, which astronomers have named luminous fast coolers. But what could be the trigger for these explosions? A supernova? A collision with a black hole? Nicol and his team have theories. One possible explanation might be the collision of a star with a stellar black hole, perhaps in a binary star system. Or could it be the interaction of an intense shock wave with stellar or interstellar material? Nicol states, if we find more of these LFCs, especially closer to us, we could test these scenarios. But for now, AT2022aedm remains a captivating mystery. The universe continually presents us with surprises, and AT2022aedm is just one of many. It reminds us that there's still so much we don't know, and the journey of discovery is never ending. What do you think? What are your theories about these mysterious explosions? Share your thoughts and ideas in the comments. Together, we'll delve into the mysteries of the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.